Hey guys, my name is Saurav and welcome to another video for Limit Solutions. And this video I'm going to show you all how to fix if you're getting TPM 2.0 is not compatible on this machine. So to fix this particular issue, the steps are very simple guys. We just need to copy a few files and we just need to paste to the source folder. So I'll just click on next, and this PC will check my configuration, my system requirements, and that will give me that particular error. Just because TPM chip is available on my machine, so I would not be getting that particular error message. So but in your case you might get that particular error message. So to fix this, it's a very easy process. I have already given the download link in the description box from where you can download this TPM support files. So I'll just create a new folder over here, and I'll just move this particular zip file to that particular folder, to this folder, and I'll just extract all the files here. And you can see that this Windows 11 and Windows 11 is ready to install. I'll just click on accept and the installation will start. So I'll just close it now, and so we just need to copy these two files. We'll just copy these two files and we'll go back and we'll just paste these two files in the source first folder. We'll right click on it and we'll just click on paste and replace the files in the destination. That's it. So now if you'll try to install this setup.exe file, Windows 11, you will not be getting any kind of error message regarding TPM or secure boot. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, Saurav, stay happy and love to learn new life as technical difficulties. Bye.